Hello, my name is Alexis Crook. I am a customer success manager here at ProSymmetry. In this video today, I'm going to be talking through the new functionality in Tempus, which is weekend planning. Previously, you could not plan your resources to projects at the daily level on a weekend, but now you can with a new setting that I will show here in a little bit. I will also show how you can update your capacity for your resources on the weekends, and then lastly, walk through the planning of your resources on weekends on a project. All right, so first off, I'm going to show where you can enable this setting. So if you have previously had this off, it will be off within your environment. You will need to navigate to Admin Settings, General Settings, and scroll down. There is a selection that is working weekends. And if you turn that on, this will enable the ability to plan on the weekends. I'm going to navigate back home now. First thing that we suggest is any resources that will be working on weekends, you update their capacity. So you can give resources updated capacity for every weekend if you want, or you can give them maybe they are only going to be working one particular weekend in the next month or so, and you can update their capacity to reflect that appropriately. So if I navigate to resource management, I'm going to go into my own profile here, and I am at the daily level. So if you were at another level here, I recommend going down to daily. You can see here that these weekends are automatically zeroed out. And then on the weekdays, I have 1 FTE capacity to give towards projects. So this is where you will update the capacity of your resources. In this case, let's say I'm working the first weekend of January in 2025. I can just go ahead and drag that. I do like to make sure my auto calculate time is on, and then I will save that. And in this case, I now have capacity to be working on that particular weekend. Again, depending on your use case, if you were only going to be doing this for one weekend at a time, or if you were updating the capacity for the resource as a whole, maybe a specific person works Wednesday through Saturday or whatever it is, you can update the capacity accordingly within this screen. I'm going to navigate back home, and I'm now going to go into a project. So I'm going to go into project management. Let's go into this project, Apollo Phase 14. This is just a test project here in my demo environment. I'm going to check out my project. I'm going to add myself to this project. I'm going to, let's go ahead and identify a task here. Scroll down. So you can see now that my weekends are available to be planned on. So if I want to give myself 1 FTE for the following days, again, this is happening over a weekend, you absolutely can. And then I can go ahead and save that. It's as simple as that, updating that setting, updating the capacity of your resources, and then planning on the weekends. If you have any questions, please check out the Help Center. Please let us know. We are happy to help. Thank you so much. Have a good one.